been a blessing to arrive where we are today. Never believe for a moment that from our humble beginnings at Circular Road some 20 years ago, we would sit in this office and be able to serve so many more people. And the truth is, it's because of the people trusting us that we've been able to grow in this way and reach out to so many more. The firm began on the 2nd of August 1999. It's so significant for a variety of reasons. Perhaps a little superstitious in that I wanted all the good luck that could possibly be afforded to us in those humble beginnings. So it started on my wife's birthday. Won't tell you how old she is, only that I'm the younger man in the relationship. And lo and behold, in a few years from then, Justin, Sengyap, Nico, everybody came along to lend a hand and help us grow.
I'm very happy to be here today. Many congratulations to Tito Isaac and company. I have very fond memories of the firm because I knew Tito and Nico both, would you believe, since they were knee-high and they were running around in their father's office in Colombo Court.
I work here for a 12 years and I treat Tito and Nico like my baby.
Tito is larger than life. He's a very, I think everybody knows, I don't have to say that, a very nice person. And every time I feel down, all I need to do is just to go into his room. He will give me a hearty grin, say, "Hi Raju, how are you, how's things?" And I tell you, that is a good tonic for me. I feel much better after that.
Well, the firm seems to be going in the right modern direction. Tito's very committed. The boys all are. They pay a lot of attention to their work. It's part of the new, part of the old, because Nathan ran, their father, Nathan Isaac, ran a fantastic practice. And I see a lot of that today in this firm as well.
The values of the firm, I guess they emanate from its leadership, from its partners. And I guess it comes from that sense of wanting to be of value, to be the lawyers that we would hire, to be the people that care about others, sometimes more than how they care about themselves.
We, in the firm, we advocate that we should have work-life harmony, where we can work hard and also play hard. We operate like a family. Whenever there are issues, both with work or otherwise, we can, I have seen that we turn to each other for support and help.
This is the first office in Singapore that I work with, and I feel like this is my second family.
Okay, I find the job very challenging, and it makes me feel very comfortable to come here to work every day.
It allows us to grow our skills, or rather our craft as a lawyer or as a paralegal. It's very conducive for us to learn the trade.
In terms of our practice, we have developed what I feel to be a fairly solid body of work over the years, comprising clients of every social strata, every legal discipline, and we just have a myriad of cases before us. But I think what we are most proud of are cases where the client comes to us in a state of grave and urgent need, and occasionally also great distress. I think it is at that moment where you truly discharge your full professional duty for our clients. By way of an example, we had an incredibly urgent application. The court had already thrown out the case, so to speak. We had to revive the case, and that revival was contingent on the court giving us only 4 days to produce affidavits of evidence in chief. And the client was in, I believe, Sri Lanka at that time. And I always look back on this and think that that is the high watermark for our firm in terms of dedication to our client. I remember in the morning, it was we were in Sri Lanka, and the sun had just sort of was coming up, and I remember typing on my laptop and looking behind me, and the floor was just littered with bodies of like snoring solicitors. At that stage, we were done. You know, we had achieved something that through perseverance, through our application, and sometimes just sure bloody mindedness, we managed to get it pushed through.
We've moved to new offices, which are, I suppose, an improvement, from our old offices at Circular Road, where we've been for a very, very long time.
Eventually, we found this I3 center is very nice, very ideal. With a lot of space, we can expand. Expand in terms of lawyers, we can expand in terms of staff, and most importantly, we are able to put everybody under one roof.
We would not be here today without the varied clients that we have served. When we began, it was from industries like construction and heavy equipment, and we now move to serving a couple of Fortune 500 companies, along with very proud Singapore SMEs. I'm so grateful for the opportunities and the trust that has been afforded to us, and I really hope to continue to journey with all our clients, small, medium, large.
Recently, we've actually succeeded in building up our reach in the ASEAN region, serving clients, from most of the ASEAN states, as well as China. And this is a very big development for a medium-sized practice like us.
Tito Isaac and Company is a safe place and safe environment for any young lawyer coming through. From my experience, being able to go to court on the first day of my practice was one of my highlights to date. The senior partners here help and nurture the young lawyers as if they're their own, and train them to be better lawyers and to be the lawyers that we were hired for by them. It has been a pleasure being part of TIC. Happy 20th anniversary, TIC.
Happy 20th anniversary. Let's see. I won't be around for the next 20, but still, we've made it this far. Keep going.
Happy 20th anniversary, TIC.
Happy 20th anniversary, TIC.
Happy 20th anniversary, Tito Isaac and Company.
I mean, happy 20th anniversary, TIC. Yeah.
At the end of the day, it's been a phenomenal journey. And as lawyers, we grow by every experience we have, by every service we give to others. And I just want to say thank you to everyone who has trusted us with their problems, shared with us their sorrows, and allowed us to help them and guide them through the years. Happy anniversary, TIC.